Hello, this is Shannon from the Kat Scrappiness Creative Crew. Today I'm here to do a voiceover for the Nala is sharing some of the new products from the Kat Scrappiness holiday release, starting with the Believe Shadow Sentiment craft die. It measures 3 1/8 inch wide and 1 1/8 inch tall. It's a classic script sentiment die that also includes the shadow. It's perfect for your holiday projects. And here Nala has the sentiment die cuts with gold mirror cardstock and on a white shadow. Next is the Snowflake Kisses Shadow Die. This measures 3 1/8 inch wide by 1 5/8 inch tall. And it's another adorable script sentiment die that also includes a shadow and a whimsical little snowflake. This all cuts out the sentiment cuts out in one piece. The shadow obviously a separate piece. And I should say it cuts out in two pieces. The phrase Snowflake Kisses is two pieces. It's all of the words in the snowflake are connected, and then there's one separate die cut, which is the tittle or the dot above the I. So again, she's showing an example with gold mirror cardstock on a white shadow. Classic, beautiful script font, perfect for your holiday cards or scrapbook layouts. Next is the Crafter's Essentials Winter Edition. These dies include 2 sloping hillsides that you can layer up to show the smaller hillside in front, the larger in back, or separate them, or just use one or the other. They both measure 5 1/2 inches wide. The tallest at the tallest point is 1 3/4 inch tall, and the smaller the shorter one is 1 1/2 inches tall at the tallest point. And here's an example of a card Nala created with those products. It also includes a deer silhouette die that you can use. You can have it facing one direction or another. Next is the Candy Cane Stripes stencil. I am going to also share a video that will show the full Kat Scrappiness release, the holiday release. So to see more embellishments, dies, stamps, and ephemera, you can stay tuned for that video. It will be on the Kat Scrappiness channel. Here is the Merry Grinchmas die cut ephemera, and this is a 50 piece ephemera set. And here's a close-up of those images, and these are perfect for they're pre-cut and colored for creating fast and easy holiday cards or scrapbook layouts. And definitely a staple for my holiday card making. Here are several items from the Kat Scrappiness holiday release. Like I said, I will share another video that will be a more in-depth and complete video with all of the products from the Kat Scrappiness holiday release. Thanks for watching. Have a happy holiday. Bye for now.